I'm about to show you how to make your subtitles appear in your preferred language. I have one of my videos up on the screen, and I'm going to direct your attention to this little icon on the bottom right of the video that says CC, which means closed captions or subtitles. If I want to see subtitles or what the person in the video is saying, I will click on this and then there it is. It also indicates in the top left hand corner of the screen what I should be doing in order to actually change the language that I'm looking at. So it has directed me to settings. Before I do that, I'm going to play the video a little bit so you can see it's not a still picture. Alright, good. You can see some movement. I'm going to go into settings now, but I'm going to just use another video for variety. Good Mythical Morning. Here we have what is being said in this clip. I can change this to another language by going into settings. It says subtitles, English default, so it's already in English. The person is speaking in English and the subtitle is provided in English. So I'm going to click on English, go to auto translate, and then the languages that are available for me to translate to will appear on the screen. I'm going to try Hindi. Now it says English default to Hindi, and the same thing appeared in the top left hand corner of the video as well as it did in the first video. If I play this, everything else will be in Hindi. Alright, so there it is. Now remember, if you don't see the closed captions icon, then you won't be able to do that. Here's another video with that example. So there's no CC icon right here. There's no closed caption icon. So you won't be able to do that with this video. Now this video is a German film called 1000 Days, channel Short Films TV. German film with English subtitles. So the subtitles are already in English. I can't do anything to that because there is no closed captions icon for me to manipulate the language with. So if I go into that, see, I see CC, it says it's off. If I do that, I still won't be able to get anything because closed captions in other languages are not available. But it's already in English. So if I play it, that's what you'll see on the screen. Good. That's because it was already done like that. I'm going to go to another video. Now if you notice, this video is totally not in English. This YouTube channel belongs to somebody who speaks Russian. All of the information about the videos on this page is in Russian. This is not an English channel at all. So we're gonna test this out to see what's happening. Maybe I should make this a little bigger so you can see it, so full screen. I'm gonna play as it is. He's speaking in Russian. I'm gonna turn the subtitles on so you can see. All in Russian. Auto translate. So if I want to see this in English, I can. There it is. Russian auto generated to English. He's still speaking Russian, of course, but I can understand what he's saying because the subtitles are now in English. One more thing about this. Now this is the Delavos. Subtitles are not always accurate. Let me point that out. Right here, there are some words missing from what she said. She said, I told you guys earlier that I did my hair. So yeah, it was nice for my first try. But this says, I told guys already. She didn't say already. And there's a word missing between here. She said, I told you guys earlier that I did my hair. So yeah, it was nice for my first try. I don't know how well this would go over into other languages if it were to be translated, but I guess the people who speak those languages would understand what the holes are. I don't know. Or maybe it would translate into something completely different. I don't know. But hopefully it's understandable. So maybe that's something translators they could look at, and maybe that's something they're already working on. One bonus tip. Did you know you could change the speed of your video? I'm going to play this as it is. See, he's running, running, running. I can speed this up to twice this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Even the talking has sped up. I'm going to slow it down now to a quarter of the speed. So that was your bonus. So you can change the speed of your video and you can change the language of your subtitles. If you're learning a new language, that's probably a good way for you to pick up new words and probably understand a little better how people use your language in a normal environment. Thank you for watching. Bye!